Girl, I done got me a wig from Temu, y'all, and I was too pumped. Y'all see, I already got my wig cap on. I already had my hair in some ASAP Rocky braids, so I was like, oh, I am ready to put this wig on. Now, the packaging wasn't fancy or nothing, but it did come with a nude wig cap, and this is how the hair looks fresh out the package. Now, it said glueless, but I don't see the wig strap in the back, so I was like, but get into the scalp, because it's giving scalp. So I guess this is what makes it glueless. It has two combs on the side, one comb at the nape of the neck, and then it has a thin strap that connects at the nape of the neck as well. So I connected the straps together, and that is what's going to hold the wig onto my head. So I had to cut the lace off, and I don't really know what I'm doing. I have never worn a lace wig, nothing lace. So I hope I didn't mess the wig up. But anywho, this is how the wig looks on my head. This is just fresh out the package. I didn't style it or anything. I literally just wanted to see how the quality of the wig was. And I can tell that when I do get ready to style it, it is going to give exactly what it needs to give. It's not exactly a throw on and go. You're gonna have to style it a little bit, but for under $100, this is pretty good quality. The hair is really soft. Drop a comment and let me know how y'all feel about this wig, and check the description box for the link to download the Temu app and use my referral code. Thanks for watching. Bye.